What's the meaning of camera? Camera. Camera.
Camera. Camera. A camera is a device used to capture and store visual images. It works by focusing light onto a photosensitive surface, such as film or an electronic sensor, which then records the image. Cameras can be found in many forms, from simple pinhole cameras to complex digital cameras with advanced features such as autofocus, zoom lenses, and image stabilization. They are widely used for various purposes, including capturing memories, artistic expression, scientific research, surveillance, and more. The development of cameras has revolutionized how we see and document the world around us, and continues to play a vital role in modern society.